Hey food lovers! If you're looking for a delicious, budget-friendly vegetarian meal, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm showing you how to make a creamy, spiced lentil curry that'll have you licking your plates clean. Alright, let's get started with the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of dried red or green lentils, 3 cups of water or vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of vegetable or coconut oil, and a medium onion, finely chopped. Don't forget 3 garlic cloves, minced, and a 1-inch piece of ginger, also minced or grated. For the spices, grab 1 to 2 teaspoons of curry powder, a teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of ground turmeric, and half a teaspoon of chili powder or cayenne if you like a bit of heat. You'll also need a 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, a 14-ounce can of coconut milk, or 1.5 cups of plant-based milk for a lighter version, a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. First, let's cook the lentils. Combine them with water or broth in a medium pot. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until tender. Drain any excess liquid and set aside. Next, heat your oil in a large skillet or pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Add the garlic and ginger and sauté for another minute until fragrant. Now, stir in the curry powder, cumin, turmeric, and chili powder. Cook the spices for 1 to 2 minutes to enhance their flavors. Add the diced tomatoes and coconut milk, then stir well and bring to a gentle simmer. Add the cooked lentils to the sauce, stirring to coat them in the curry. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to let the flavors meld. Taste the curry and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. Serve this delicious curry hot over cooked rice and garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice if you like. And there you have it, a wholesome, comforting, and affordable lentil curry that's perfect for weeknights. Enjoy!